We are in Africa, East Africa, Kenya, South Nyanza, Homa Bay County, African village. Look at this fresh farm. Guys, it's so dry here, but at least my auntie's farm is well. And I've just come to this farm to confirm if I can get some cassava roots. So guys, as you know, in Africa, in West Africa, cassava is very important because they use these leaves as their traditional vegetable. They use this cassava to make fufu. The West African use cassava to make fufu, and Central Africa. But in East Africa, we use them as we use cassava just for ugali. Yes, just bit of it. We have to mix it with something, of course. But the main thing, we use cassava for breakfast as a breakfast recipe. So guys, I'm in the village, and in the morning, watch this video. I must make for you the cassava for breakfast ideas, how they used to do it traditionally. Guys, keep tuned and watch and enjoy with me this cassava. Hello my wonderful viewers, thank you for tuning back. If you are new in this channel, feel welcome, karibu sana. Please view my videos, like, share, subscribe. If you are a subscriber, please check on your notification bell whether it's on. Most of you, their notifications are not all, and therefore they can never know when I'm posting a video. And adverts, please don't skip the ads. If you want to promote Rebikit food, don't skip an ad. So guys, today I'm coming up with a traditional breakfast tip for you. I've already done one, and there's also another traditional breakfast tip. So what I'm going to use for breakfast is this. Do you know this? From which country are you watching from? Just comment there and tell me what you use this for. So guys, these are cassava. These are the Kenyan cassava. And for Kenya's cassava, we use it mainly for meal, for ugali. I know West Africa, they use it for making fufu. But us here, the main thing for this, traditionally, we use it for breakfast. So guys, I'm just going to prepare this traditional way of cooking cassava in Kenya, African village. So keep tuned, guys. So modern way, people peel it like this, and it's not really advisable to peel it like this because there's a fiber that you're leaving out. So you don't need to peel it like other bananas. So if you look at this, there's a layer here which is very important. If I can show you, you see this part. When you're peeling, you are going to leave out this part, and this is a very nice fiber which is very rich in mineral, and it's very important. So what we do, you're supposed to cut it like this traditionally, then you make a slit, and then for openings, then you put knife down, and then now you just remove using your free hands. So you see, it just comes out automatically like that, you see. Compared to this one, so the mistake here, which has here, I've removed some fibers which is not healthy. So the same way, you do this, just make a slit here, and then you continue with your free hands. So guys, how do you do it in your country? Do you do it the same way? So you continue this way, you cut them in bits. I'm washing it for the second time again until they sparkle clean the way you see this now. So now the next step that I'm going to do is now to cut them into halves. Continue breaking it into two. The way I have divided them into two. Now from this part, now we are going to place it in the pan, and add some little salt for it to taste, and then we boil them. So keep tuned, guys. I'm going to transfer it into a clean, place them here so you can see how they're sparkling white. So what I'm going to do is just to add some salt. I'll just add some salt, little salt, and then water. Make sure the water goes at the same level of the cassava. So guys, I've just placed my cassava. It has salt. These are the cassava now. What I'm going to do is just to cover it and give it time to cook. So keep tuned, guys, as we boil our cassava traditional breakfast idea. Ready, and now I'm just going to take them out and serve them. So this is how they used to cook this for breakfast. Guys, if you take this with tea, I'm telling you, your porridge, you will feel full the whole day. This is for breakfast. So let me just serve it with tea and see how amazing it looks. So keep tuned, guys. So guys, I'm just serving my tea, the leaves tea that you saw, the traditional coffee that I made. Guys, this is it. You might think it's water, but if you can look at it keenly, it's somehow green. It is somehow green. So this is a very nice tea. So I'm just going to add some sugar to it. So sugar will depend on how much you take, and then you start. Guys, you can find that there are some homes where there was nothing like sugar, so they just take it plain the way it is. But it has a very nice flavor and aroma. That leaves has made it to have a very nice aroma. So this is traditional breakfast idea. So let me just taste. The aroma it has, it's just like coffee somehow. So if you cannot, for those who cannot afford tea leaves and everything, they use this, but it's nice, guys. And my cassava, the boiled cassava. So this is how we used to cook them. This is how we cook cassava in Kenya. Breakfast. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Give my video a like. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.